Ever wondered how to make your Blender model come alive with just a few clicks? Imagine creating dynamics animation, realistic curtains, or even interactive modeling without tedious vertex by vertex tweaking. In this video, I'll show you how the Hook Modifier can transform your Blender workflow. Stick around because by the end, you will not only master this tool but also unlock creative ideas you never thought possible. Ready to elevate your Blender game? Let's dive in. So here we have a basic general environment of our Blender. So let's delete this cube. So first of all, I introduce the Hook Modifier. The Hook Modifier is like a magic that lets you control specific part of your mesh with ease. Instead of moving every vertex manually, you attach a section of your mesh to an external object called a hook and let it do the work for you. So let's create an example. I will show you visually. So let's create. First of all, I want to create an object. Press Shift A. I think cube is better. So select this cube, go to edit mode and subdivide it. I guess we keep it 20. And now for adding the hook modifier, you just click with the selected vertices, you just click Ctrl H and now you can see hook to new object. You can see that. Click on this and it automatically create modifier, apply hook modifier on it and create an empty also. You can increase the size of empty. Go this empty data object property and increase its size. You can now you can see your empty, and now if you want and grab it, just select and grab it, you can see it move whole cube. So you can control its intensity by click this cube and go to the modifier tab. You can adjust its fall off. Okay, let's make it on 1 meter. Grab, nothing happened because if you can see if we create on 2 meter, you can see it actually working very smoothly. So you can see here the hook modifier actually hook your object, or you can deform your object with fall off. So this is, you can see. Okay, next one thing again, you can just add a vertex group. Okay, let's make it practical example. Like if I create this and create a vertex group, assign, go to the object mode and add, go to the modifier tab, add vertex. You can see it actually affecting on the selected vertices. If you just click on that, you can see make it 1.5. you can see if you grab the empty, you can see if you just invert it, it invert its selection. Okay, let's create an example, that flag waving in. So let's delete this cube and also delete this empty. And now to create a basic cloth for flag, just add a plane and rotate in 90 on y-axis. Okay, and grab it on z-axis S on Z axis. So you can see object S in Y axis. So this is actually like flag. If we hook this on stick, press add an object, cylinder object, to hook this flag to make it stick. Scale it and scale it on Z axis. Press G. Okay, you can see this is our object and this is flag. If I want to hook the flag, like if I move this stick of flag, the flag waving accordingly. So before that we just create the vertex group. For this just hide this cylinder and edit, subdivide, make it on 30, select this edge that we want to hook. First create vertex group to hook the cloth with this stick and unlock this stick. Okay, go to the edit mode and select Hook Modifier. From here you can find in the form list. Press this, go and select cylinder. So you can see it actually hook our object. And now make it cloth, and with the select this vertex group. And to make the flag cloth, select with the cloth and go to the physics tab, add cloth, physics on it, and where is its gravity. Actually I want to change the direction of wind on y-axis. Okay, go to the scene property, gravity, and minus 9.8. Copy this, Control C and make it 0, and on y-axis just paste. And now you can go to the physics tab and now add a keyframe with the selected this I location and go to the 50. Make and grab it like this, G, and add location. Go to the first frame, first select this cloth, go to the cloth property and go to the shape and pin the object with cloth. Now you can see and there you have it, a simple yet powerful way to elevate your animation and design with the Hook Modifier. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't keep it to yourself. Hit that like button and share it with your Blender buddies. Got question or creative ideas? Drop them in the comments. I love to hear from you. And don't forget to subscribe and turn on notification, because next time we are diving into another amazing Blender tool you won't want to miss. Until then, happy blending.